Shakas. Aloha, crafty friends. It's Maka from Makaz Home. I just wanted to share 2 MEMORYDEX cards that I'm sending out for some crafty friends here on YouTube. They are hosting different challenges. This one I made with some gifts I received from Tree, who is Craft On here on YouTube. The shaker embellishment. She made this lily as well. And then I had these rhinestone stars in my stash. And this one, I was gifted this one by someone. One of my crafty subbies. Thank you so much. So that's one of the MEMORYDEX. And then the other MEMORYDEX, I was gifted all of these things as well. I just put a little lace trim back here. You can barely see it, so I don't even know why I put it, but it's there. It just says documented, and I added the word Aloha. And I added a bunch of these cutout cameras, so it's like a little tropical MEMORYDEX. So yeah, hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing. If you're returning, welcome back. I hope you like this video. For more videos like these, see here. And until my next video, shakas.